Is your calculator app not functioning properly on your iPhone? This can be frustrating, especially if you rely on it for quick calculations. Don't worry, this guide will provide effective solutions to get the calculator back up and running. Let's get started. Solution 1: Force quit the calculator app. Restarting the app can help resolve minor glitches. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. Locate the calculator app. Swipe up on the calculator app card to close it. Now open Settings. Scroll down. Tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Find out Calculator. Tap Offload the apps. Tap Offload again. Tap Reinstall it again. Again, reopen the calculator app from your home screen and check if it's working properly. Solution 2: Check for software updates. Outdated software can cause issues with apps. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Once your device is updated, restart your iPhone. Check if the calculator app is functioning correctly. Solution 3: Reinstall the calculator app. If the problem persists, you may need to delete and reinstall the calculator app. Locate the calculator app on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until the menu appears, then select Remove App. Tap Delete App to confirm. Go to the App Store. Search for Calculator and reinstall it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any issues with the calculator app on your iPhone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and stay tuned for the next video.